this, it kind of looks like a flower just magically grows. Squeeze the highlighter ink out of the ink tube and your flowers just magically glow.
You're not supposed to.
Just try it.
No!
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic.
Magic!
I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 7 amazing magic tricks with nature.
Nature versus nurture, Lodge. Nature always wins.
This first one's a beautiful illusion that you can pull off at home. Take a look.
Okay, so I've got some white flowers right here in the glass. It's gonna kill the lights real quick. Now watch. We're gonna take the flowers, and on the count of 3, 3, 2, 1, they'll magically glow. So cool.
Here's what you need to set this up yourself. The first thing you're going to need is a highlighter. You're going to take some pliers and remove the bottom cap of the highlighter and remove the ink tube from the highlighter. The next thing you're going to need are some white flowers. We're using Carnations, but you can use any variation of white flowers. You need to put the flowers in some water. And then all you're gonna do is squeeze the highlighter ink out of the ink tube into the water. Once you have the highlighter ink in the water, you're ready to put your flower inside. Also make sure you have your fingers thoroughly stained yellow from the highlighter. Gonna put the flower down in there and let it sit overnight. We're gonna add a few to make sure this works. Now you wanna let this sit for 24 hours, and what's gonna happen is the highlighter juice in the water is actually going to get sucked up by the flower into the stem of the flower. Then it's actually gonna come up and it's going to permeate the petals.
As you can see, the ink of the highlighter glows fluorescent under the black light. So once you've left them in the dark overnight in the highlighter solution, switch on your black light and watch them glow. So cool, the flower like soaks up the highlighter, and you can see where the fluorescent is coming up. You can see my hands are still stained with the highlighter. And you can see it's coming up the flower like this. It's so cool.
And that is the secret of the magic glowing flower illusion. Here's an amazing nature trick that begs the question, do plants have feelings?
Watch the leaves of the plant. If I just give it a little squeeze like this, you can see they all fold up.
The secret of this trick comes courtesy of Mother Nature.
The secret to the sensitive plant is all built into the plant. It's so cool. The plant itself is just super sensitive. When you touch it, the leaves automatically curl up like that as a natural defense mechanism. The whole plant will react. You can see it just droop down when I touch it like that. Or shake the plant. Even shaking the plant will cause it to curl up. It's as if the plant has come to life and has feelings of its own. After a few minutes, the leaves will open back up and the plant will return to normal. Such an amazing nature trick. It's called a sensitive plant. It's also called a shy plant or a shame plant. Mimosa pudica is the technical name for the plant. They make a super fun house plant, and they look really cool as the leaves curl up at the slightest touch.
And that is the secret behind the magic sensitive plant. For this amazing nature illusion, we're going to create life in the palm of our hands.
So I have a little flower seed here on the tip of my finger. If I just drop it into my other hand like that, and I take some water and pour it into my hand just like that. All we have to do is kind of give it a light rub. You can kind of see this happen. Watch, if I just hold my hand like this, it kind of looks like a flower just magically grows. Just like that.
Alright, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now.
Here are the things you'll need to pull off this trick. You're going to need a flower. I prefer a real flower. You're just going to cut the stem right about here. So you just want a few inches of stem left on the bottom of the flower. A bright, colorful one like this is fun to use. And then you're also going to need a magic thumb tip. This is a fake plastic thumb. We have these available at EvanEraTV.com in adult and kid sizes. It's just a plastic thumb. It's hollow inside so that we can hide our flower seeds and water in the thumb tip just like this. And it's all contained inside the thumb tip. We simply take out the thumb tip with our opposite hand, and then at the same time, while you have the flower concealed in your palm, you can gently push up on the bottom of the stem with your finger, and just like that, from seeds to flower in an instant. Watch until the end of the video for a special giveaway to win a magic thumb of your own.
And that is the secret of the magic growing flower illusion. Here's a dirty trick to play on your friends and family.
Flowers. You want to smell them?
They do smell good. I wonder what they taste like.
You're not supposed to.
You want to try the dirt? The dirt's good. That's a good dirt. Here's the dirty secret of this fun nature prank. So all we need to set this one up is a chocolate cake and some mini marshmallows. These are like the marshmallows that go in hot chocolate, the little freeze-dried ones. This is what we're gonna use to create the illusion of eating potting soil. You're now going to take your chocolate cake and crumble it up. Add a bit of your marshmallows. And as you can see, as you crumble the cake and add the little marshmallow bits, it really mimics the look of potting soil. So once you have your edible potting soil mixture made up, your next step is to get some flowers and a little flower pot. These are actually real flowers, they're not fake flowers. And most people don't know that real flowers are actually edible. Start off by filling your little flower pot with your fake potting soil. You're now gonna tuck your flowers right down in the middle of it. Now we're good to go for our prank. You can take an entire handful of the potting soil, jam it into your mouth. You can eat it, it actually tastes really good because it's just chocolate cake with marshmallows, and if you want for an added effect, you can eat the flowers as well.
What'd you think? Good flower?
A fun and easy prank with nature that tastes just as good as it looks. Your friends will soil themselves with laughter at this hilarious prank. And that is the secret of the edible dirt prank. Here's another amazing example of magic in nature.
Okay, watch this. All I do is touch the plant, and just like that, it magically explodes.
The secret of this one coming up next.
Orange jewelweed is the type of plant. It's an annual plant native to North America. It's a wildflower. It's almost kind of like a weed, actually. And the seed pods actually have projectile seeds that explode out of the ripe pods when they're lightly touched, which is where the name Touch Me Not comes from. The pods instantly roll back into tight curled strips, launching the seeds airborne. The exploding seed pods actually play an important role in the growth of the plant and the distribution of the seeds. So if you see a Touch Me Not, touch it. It's fun.
And that is the secret of the magic exploding plant. Here's a cool fire trick that you can do with a fruit right off the tree.
Watch the fire. I just squeeze the lemon.
Simple secret, here it is.
For this trick, you'll need a lemon and a candle. So really all you have to do here is take the peel of a lemon and squeeze it next to a candle, and it will create a little lemon flamethrower. All you have to do is take the peel and squeeze, and the lemon oil that squeezes out of the peel instantly ignites. It's flammable. There's little pockets of it in there that'll shoot out just like that. So that's a fun, all-natural way to do a magic fire trick.
Here's another fun fruit trick perfect for your next party.
Alright, you said you wanted to see a cool trick, right? So this orange will actually pop this balloon. No pins or needles or anything like that. The orange will actually pop the balloon. Watch this. If we just kind of squeeze it, poke the hole in it. It's slowly draining. Alright, so we had to switch up balloons and get a different balloon because that one did not work out. Alright, you ready to see this thing pop?
Yeah.
Alright, so we take our orange and the balloon and watch. There it goes. The secret to the orange and balloon trick coming up next.
Again, the secret to this trick is built in by nature.
All you need to pull off this trick is an orange peel and a latex balloon. These are our Laugh at Life balloons. We're just going to inflate the balloon. So once you have the balloon inflated, all you have to do is take the peel of the orange and squeeze it near the balloon. Squeezing the peel of the orange releases the oil inside, which will instantly eat through the latex of a balloon, causing it to pop instantly and give your spectator a shocking surprise. So alternatively to just squeezing the peel, you can actually just rub some of this oil on your finger and touch the balloon and it will pop it instantly.
And that is the secret of the lemon flamethrower and the orange balloon trick. Here's another amazing trick using natural science.
Alright, so check this out. I've got this green pool of nuclear slime here. I've also got a glass bottle over here. Watch, we take this. Now watch, if I take the bottle like this and I dunk it in, you can see this happen, look. The entire bottle fills with the magic liquid. Isn't that cool? Look, the entire thing's full now. See that? All the liquid's sucked up into it. Isn't that neat? Science. Nature magic.
Spoiler alert, the secret is coming up next.
Here's what you need to set up this fun trick. You'll need a glass bottle, some mounting putty or some clay, some highlighters, a drinking straw, a glass bowl, water, and a blacklight. You're just gonna fill the bowl with room temperature water, and then you're going to fill the bottle with really hot water. Let the glass of the bottle become hot, and then dump the hot water out of the bottle. You also want to remove the ink tubes from the highlighter, just as we showed you in the first trick with the glowing flowers, and add the ink to the water that's in the bowl. bowl. Your next step is to take the mounting putty or clay and you're going to affix it around the straw down into the neck of the bottle. Then all you have to do is invert the bottle, put it down into the bowl, and the suction created inside the bottle will instantly suck up all the highlighter juice into the bottle. It looks so cool, such an amazing trick, and it's all possible thanks to the laws of nature.
And that is how you do the magic levitating liquid trick. Alright guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone who you think might enjoy it as well. Also, it is giveaway time. I am giving away magic props from this video. All you have to do to win is leave a comment in the comment section down below. I'm giving away 5 of our magic thumb tips and 5 packs of Laugh at Life balloons. To win the contest, all you have to do is give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and be subscribed to the channel. Today's keyword is nature. Leave as many comments as you want. I'll be going through the comment section and picking random comments to mail you the magic. Here are the giveaway winners from our last how-to magic video. Send me an email with your full mailing address to this email right here to claim your prize for the giveaway. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway drawing, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway. Also, follow me on Instagram for nature pics. Well, yeah, it's nature. I'm outside for a lot of them. Follow me on Instagram. There's a link down below. If you missed the last episode of How To Magic, it's right over there. Tap the subscribe button and turn the notification bell on so that you see all of our videos. Our shop is right down there if you want to grab some merch and support the channel. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys.